He heals what was broken, by grace, not by force.
Welcome to episode 22. Family can leave deep wounds, emotional, spiritual, and relational, but God specializes in restoration. Today we will explore how God heals the parts of you that family damaged, bringing peace, wholeness, and grace into your life.
He healeth the broken in heart, and bindeth up their wounds. Psalm 147:3.
Healing begins with recognition. Family may have caused pain through words that cut, rejection, and manipulation or control. Acknowledging these wounds allows God's light to touch the broken places. God's grace restores what family cannot. He brings comfort, understanding, and emotional renewal. Allow Him to heal the scars and fill the gaps with His love. Peace is a fruit of God's healing. Where family left brokenness, God plants serenity. Your heart can experience freedom, joy, and calm even when past wounds are real. Boundaries are not walls, they are bridges. They allow restoration without compromise. You can love without being hurt again, forgive without enabling harm, and walk in grace while remaining protected. Family hurt can make you question who you are. God restores identity in Christ, loved, accepted, and complete. Your self-worth is in Him, not in their approval. Your healing demonstrates God's power. Others see freedom from pain, strength in grace, and peace that surpasses understanding. Your testimony inspires without a single argument. Thank you for watching episode 22. God heals the parts of you that family damaged. Stand in peace. Walk in grace. Trust His restoration fully. See you in episode 23.